Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to design Instagram logo and Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. First of all, we will go and select the rectangle tool, and with the help of Shift and Alt key at the center, we will draw a square of equal dimensions. Go to transform panel and give 240 points. Okay. Now go to the stroke panel and give half 16 point stroke to this, okay, which I have already done. Now we will give these corners radius of approximately 64 points. Okay. Now select this the drawing and we will make a copy of it. So go to the edit, select, click on copy and paste in place. Okay. Now again with the help of Shift and Alt key, we will draw a circle inside of it like this. Okay. Now we will go and select the ellipse tool. Okay. With the help of Shift and Alt, we will draw a small circle. Okay. Please fill it with black color. Okay. And we will place it here. Let's make it a little bit small. Okay, like this. So in this way we can make Instagram logo very easily. Thanks for watching.